Lyonsville, New York Animal Hospital. Need to find a full-service animal hospital in Lyonsville, New York? See why families in Lyonsville have chosen Animal Hospital of Sullivan County for over 70 years. Families in Lyonsville, New York trust Animal Hospital of Sullivan County, which has operated since 1953 as the oldest animal hospital in Sullivan County. This Lyonsville facility is woman-owned, veteran-operated, and remains family-run since its founding. That culture of ownership shapes how every patient is handled at every stage. More than 70 years serving Lyonsville, New York, and Sullivan County means generations of local families have trusted their animals here, from young puppies to senior pets needing advanced care. Animal Hospital of Sullivan County has maintained AAHA accreditation since 1983 and remains the only AAHA-accredited facility in Sullivan County. That designation has been maintained for more than 4 decades. Earning AAH. A status requires passing 900 separate standards across animal patient care, surgery, anesthesia, pain management, facility safety, and client communication. Fewer than 15% of animal hospitals in North America achieve AAHA accreditation. Maintaining it for over 40 years means we uphold these benchmarks every single day of the year. Surgical safety procedures, pain management standards, and surgical oversight are all evaluated under strict AAHA standards. When your pet has surgery here, the oversight is rigorous. Animal Hospital of Sullivan County provides comprehensive care, including routine checkups, vaccinations, dental cleanings, spay and neuter services, and urgent care, all handled in a single accredited facility. Families in Lyonsville have relied on Companion Memorial Crematorium on site for more than 20 years, with compassionate aftercare from the same team that cared for their pets. The hospital coordinates specialty referrals when a case goes beyond the scope of in-house care. Animals receive expert care while staying in contact with our staff. Preventive care is prioritized at every visit. Early detection of issues such as dental disease, weight shifts, or organ changes allows intervention before a concern becomes a serious problem. Feline patients in Lyonsville, New York have access to separate exam rooms reserved for cats, away from dog traffic. Reducing cross-species stress leads to calmer exams and better assessments. Gentle, patient handling is practiced throughout this Lyonsville facility. Staff members approach pets at eye level, use calming techniques, and avoid unnecessary restraint whenever possible. The Pet Desk app lets clients book appointments, track vaccination records, and receive reminders directly from the hospital. Appointment management entirely in the client's hands. Scheduling a visit in Lyonsville, New York is straightforward. New and returning clients can reach the hospital directly to answer questions about your pet's needs before visiting. At the first visit, an intake is performed. The team reviews the pet's history, performs a thorough physical examination, and discusses any concerns before creating a care plan. The hospital serves families across Sullivan County, including clients who travel from far away because they value our AAHA-accredited standards and a trusted animal hospital. The only AAHA-accredited hospital in Sullivan County, with 70 years of community roots and a facility that puts every pet first, Animal Hospital of Sullivan County is built to last. Want to schedule an AAHA-accredited animal hospital in Lyonsville? Visit ahofsc.com to get started. When you need an animal hospital in Lyonsville, New York, click the link below or visit ahofsc.com to learn more.